One easy way to earn extra cash many people love is by joining a site that will allow you to earn simply by watching videos. To earn from watching videos, you have to register as a member of a site that offers this kind of earning opportunity. Fortunately, there are plenty of sites that do, but the problem with that is that since there are many options to choose from, it can be quite hard to figure out which sites to join. And there are also many scams that will claim you can earn by watching videos, but in reality, you might end up losing money and time by joining, and that's why we're here. First off, please know that I am not your typical YouTuber who will lie to you just to rack views and subscribers. If the website ain't working, I'm not gonna come on here to explain anything to you. Secondly, like I always say, you should know that the website that I talk about won't turn you into a millionaire overnight. So it is important that you know that you need to put in a lot of time if you want to make a lot of money. Lastly, I want you to take a look at these videos that are available to be watched and see for yourself how much it'll pay you when you're done watching it. As you can see here, all you need to do was watch a second video and you will get paid. So, if you want to find out what website it is and how you can make real money by watching YouTube videos, then you want to make sure to sit back, grab a cup of juice, and keep on watching. In this guide, there is nothing much you're required to do other than watching videos the same way you watch videos on YouTube. To make money watching YouTube videos, you need only two things. First, you need an RTube account. Second, you need an internet connection. Rolladale is a freelance marketplace that gives you the opportunity to make money by watching YouTube videos using RTube. It may sound quite unbelievable, but it's true. You actually earn cash to watch YouTube videos because there are so many people on YouTube who are struggling to grow their YouTube channels. Many of them have done almost everything that YouTube recommends, and still, their videos are not getting views. The YouTube platform is so crowded by new uploads every minute that getting your video recognition is almost impossible. This calls for a different tactic to get the YouTube views that they want. They need to buy YouTube views from you to get a YouTube algorithm to recognize and promote their videos, and that's what I'm going to show you how to sell your views to them soon. Keep watching. That's where the RTube comes in. These aspiring YouTubers come to the Rolladale website and ask us to help them promote their videos, and that's where we offer to promote their videos for a small fee. On the other hand, we show their videos to millions of people around the world who watch their videos through our website, and that's where you get an opportunity to make money online by watching those videos. You make money by watching these YouTube videos. When you watch their videos, they get their views and you get money for it. Simple, right? So, without taking much of your time, let's get started. Now, I hope you have an RTube account already. If you don't have one, you can register one quickly by following these 4 simple steps. Step 1. Go to tube.rolladale.com and click on this sign up button. You'll be taken to a registration page where you will need to fill out your information. You don't need a lot of information. All you only need is to enter your username, email address, then select your country. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to select Nigeria, but if you're from other countries, go ahead and select your country. Now here you need to enter your WhatsApp number, enter your password here, and confirm it. After that, click continue here. Step 2. You'll be taken to the second page where you need to enter your first name, last name, address, state, zip code, and city. After that, click on submit here. Step 3. You'll be taken to your dashboard. Now go to this page that says earn, then watch videos. Click on it to see all the available videos to watch and start earning. Click on this play button here and you can see it says that we need to subscribe first in order to watch videos. So the solution is to buy the paid membership platform so you can watch videos. Go to upgrade and you can see all the membership available. My recommendation is to start with the second plan so you can watch multiple videos and they're all valid for 30 days. Also, if you buy the second plan, you will earn up to 3 levels of what your referral earns. So for me, it sounds like a very good deal. So let's deposit funds first. Go back to your dashboard and click on top up. From there, you'll be taken to payment options. Choose your payment processor and enter the amount. After that, click on submit and then click on pay now and you redirect to Paystack. Now, check the amount once again and pick your best option. Click on the pay the bill and it's done. After everything, you can see the deposit amount into your balance section. Now go back to upgrade by clicking on the menu, then upgrade. Here, you can choose any plans. If you can choose a high value plan, then your earning will be big. Just click on subscribe now, select purchase balance and it's done. After you subscribe on this page, you can watch any video you like just as you would watch on YouTube. You make money for each and every video that you watch, and all the money will be recorded on your dashboard while you withdraw straight to your bank account every Sunday. How much money can you make watching YouTube videos? A lot. The more you watch, the more money you make. There is no limit to how many videos you can watch. Even if you want to spend all day, every day watching, it's up to you. As you can see from here, each video has its own earnings and duration. All video views don't pay the same money. Some views earn you more money than others. However, we've tried to standardize our services so that there is a minimum amount of money you can make for every video view. For every YouTube video that you view, you can make money according to the video duration. Also, most times it all depends on how much the YouTube advertiser is willing to pay you to watch their video. The more they're willing to pay, the more you can earn. Thus, on a good day, you can make a lot of money watching YouTube videos here. Is our tube really legit? There is a very thin line between legal, moral, ethical, and illegal, immoral, unethical when it comes to selling, buying, and making money through services like YouTube videos. Yet, Rolladale still remains a very ethical and legal company involved in every moral activities. Why is RTube on the right side of matters when compared with other similar companies involved in similar activities? Check the second link in the description of this video to read more. Can I buy my own YouTube videos? Yes. We understand how difficult it is these days to get YouTube views. Due to the millions of YouTube videos being uploaded every day, it is almost impossible to get the attention that you deserve. The YouTube platform has so many YouTubers such that you being a new YouTuber is almost impossible to get noticed. You might be making excellent videos but still not get views. This is why Rolladale come up with this feature to help. Check the video on your right side now to know how to purchase your own YouTube views from our freelance sellers, how to make payments and withdrawal. After you finish making your money by watching YouTube videos, you'll see everything on your dashboard like this. You can withdraw it every Sunday. Rolladale does not have the end month payment policies that keep you waiting for your money. Just make sure that you have earned minimum withdrawal, then make a payout request. This is to notify us that you want to receive your money. After we receive your request, we'll go through your account to see that you follow our guidelines. This in order to maintain our high quality standards for our YouTube views clients. After the review, we will send your money to your preferred payment gateway. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And of course, if you have more questions, do well to drop it in the comment box below. Thanks. We have already picked another interesting video for you to enjoy next. By the way, Rolladale is an online marketplace that connects freelancers selling their services with clients looking to hire someone for a project. You definitely can make money on our Rolladale as a freelancer, since our platform acts as an online marketplace for freelancers and businesses to connect with each other. There are plenty of opportunities available where you can earn a decent income by providing your services. And if you're a buyer, it is very easy to find the right person for the job, no matter what the job is. Rolladale's homepage automatically recommends several freelancers and services on offer, but you can also search for exactly what you're looking for. Check the first link in the description below to join our Telegram channel.